How to set up a softbox easy method. Most people get this wrong, but setting up a softbox is actually very simple. You won't believe how quickly you can improve your lighting for photos or videos with just a few steps. First, unpack the softbox and separate all the rods, the fabric, and the speed ring. The rods are flexible but sturdy, and the speed ring holds everything together. Lay out your parts for easy assembly. Next, insert the rods into the corners of the softbox fabric. Most rods have a small loop at the end that fits into metal grommets in the fabric. Push carefully to avoid bending the rods. Now, attach the other ends of the rods to the speed ring. The ring keeps the softbox rigid and maintains its shape. Start with one rod and move sequentially until all are secured. Softbox should now hold its rectangular or octagonal shape. Attach the softbox to your light source or stand. Most softboxes have a mount compatible with standard studio lights or LED panels. Make sure it's tight and secure to prevent slipping. Finally, attach the diffusion panel. This white fabric softens the light for even illumination. Clip or Velcro it onto the front of the softbox. Turn on your light, adjust the angle, and you're ready for professional quality lighting. In conclusion, setting up a softbox involves inserting rods, securing them to the speed ring, mounting the softbox, and adding the diffusion panel. With this simple process, your lighting setup becomes easy, versatile, and ready for any shoot.